Happy Easter, everyone. So I just woke up like maybe an hour or so ago. Easter Bunny said that we weren't going to be getting anything because we're all older. So let me show you guys what we got. Baskets over here. Some cascarones, which are confetti eggs. Some beef jerky sticks. So this is my grandma's. This is my little brother's. This one here is my older brother's. That one's mine because I like elephants. And then this one is my husband's or fiance's, Joshua's. And then Pooter says hello too. Hi Pootie. He's outside. And then I think we're gonna have a barbecue today, and I'm gonna just try to get some laundry done and put away some clothes because that is very needed. Sorry, I'm in the pantry / laundry room. So that is very needed today. So let me go ahead and go get that. Okay guys, so it's a couple days later and I know that I didn't record very much of the barbecue because it got kind of dark by the time that I did everything. So yeah, I mean, I'm sorry that I didn't record more. All I really did was watch TV and hang out with my family and watch movies. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog, and I will see you guys next time.